No gap, make your own gap, eh? Dickhead.
Do it at the last minute.
I know. It's like, I'll wait and watch you come and then I'll dive out on you.
Holy shit. Now, has he just done that, or are they trying to raid it and see what he can get out of it?
Yeah, probably made it.
Did you see the state of it?
Fucking knobhead bus driver. Lock the video.
Video protected.
Fucking hell.
Can you not drive, mate?
The worst part is, it's a brand new kettle, have all that fucking, he'll stop and start shit so it won't roll backwards.
A bit. What? The fuck was that, you dumbass?
Yeah, card fucking got down as well. Fucking weird.
Oh boy, just running out in traffic. What a fucking retard. Oh yeah, we shot the fucking thing a bit. Dickhead.
No, it lasted 3 years, I do not.
No idea. Fucking hell's that fucking knobhead?
Fucking don't know, but he's mouthing off.
Look at this. Fucking lights, mate. Fucking lights. The amount of people that have not got the lights on in thick fog. It's fucking stupid.
Fucking hell.
What's a knob sack?
That was silly, wasn't it?
Lock me up. Lock me up. Lock me up. Lock me up.